Concerns and warnings from the National Solid Waste Management Authority are following the discovery of huge piles of bulky waste in Olympic Gardens, St. Andrew. The NSWMA was called to the area by residents as they were concerned about the death of 2 young children, which are suspected to be from the dengue virus. TVJ's Krista Campbell reports.
Mosquitoes in flight at a yard in the west central St. Andrew community of Olympic Gardens. The constituency of Prime Minister Andrew Holness getting much attention from the National Solid Waste Management Authority NSWMA over the weekend because of these. What could be considered junkyards are in reality the business places for these residents. But some of their neighbors are not happy about their conditions.
I got truck already and take out 2 trucks load of garbage from around there. That's why I sent Mr. Dawes here. But when Mr. Dawes came, he locked the premises and go away. And I did have to come and let them know that they will be prosecuted if the rubbish them come out.
The amount of mosquitoes we see a fly around the frame, I don't know how you see on the mosquito. Maybe the mosquito them used to use for them to come still, but then come out in the evening and night.
A 4-year-old girl from the community was buried today. Residents say the little girl and another young child both died after contracting the dengue virus, and they're worried.
I have a little grandpit now. I don't want nothing to do with him, because the one I have, someone want the place clean and looking good. I'm glad for now, though.
But some of the residents found it hard to let go of some of the waste they considered either valuable or good for business.
See that board there? I never use and fix up the fence back, you understand? You see this? I want to look at something for a old woman like. So I'm going to wash it off and say I can't need and gear it. Oh, the toilet seat? Good man, just wipe it one wipe out. See the one of them something there? I push my reason on them, but me look at the clean for the water them there.
And they hold on and them board and them things, them have to move, man.
A dengue threat at several locations and a fire hazard at others. The NSWMA team stressed that Saturday's visit was out of concern for residents' safety. The next time will be to enforce the law.
Okay, how we clean the gullies from KSAC, we're having the same problem. I'm throwing back the debris. Within 2 or 3 weeks' time, I'm throwing back the debris back in the gully again. And okay, we say to them, say, put it on the main, collect it, them won't do it.
If people are not prepared to do the right thing, we're going to have to assist them using some muscle to get the right thing done.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.